Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. And in today's video I'm going to talk about salicylic acid serum from Be Minimalist. Now coming to the product, it retails for 599 rupees and packaging is pretty much same as other products from Minimalist. The consistency is very lightweight and it's very good on the skin. It blends in very quickly. And yes, it's just like any other. And before starting today's video, I really want to mention one thing, that when it comes to skincare, please have patience. Like, it's not makeup that it will show you results instantly, but it will take whatever time it requires, right? So I really wanted to mention this because I've seen such comments, and especially if I talk about Be Minimalist products, they have formulated their products for all skin types, and that includes sensitive skin. So the formula is really mild, so it will take a good amount of time. So please be patient and give it some time before jumping on to a conclusion. Give it some time and then you can, say that this product is not working on your skin or not. So yes, please don't jump on conclusions before even giving it some time. Alright, now let's quickly talk about salicylic acid, and I don't want to go here and there all over the place. I will talk to the point whatever I want to present here, and I want to make it very short and crisp so that you can understand if you want to buy this product on. So basically salicylic acid is just to clear your pores. So if you have any impurities under your skin, it will go into the deeper layers of your skin and it will clear your pores. So if you have blackheads, whiteheads, any kind of pimple, inflammation, redness, it will just take it all away and it will literally clear your pores. So this is how the salicylic acid work on the skin. It's a very good active. Coming to salicylic acid, it's a BHA, so do not mix it with any extremely potent actives such as retinoid or vitamin C. And I suggest that if you're using such potent actives such as retinoids or vitamin C, use them on their own. Do not mix and match and do not try to experiment with the other actives if you are especially a beginner, because as a beginner you might just end up ruining your skin. So if you are trying it for the first time, use them separately, include them in different routine and different days, and do not mix and match them together because it might lead to something else that you're not even expecting. So please be careful when you're using your active. Talking about this product, the base is aloe vera juice, so if you're someone who is allergic to aloe vera juice, you can stay away from this one. They've also used some good ingredients such as lecithin, propanediol, propylene glycol, which is really good for your skin. Also, it is a fragrance free formula. It does not have any silicone, paraben, no sulfate, no harmful chemicals into it, which is amazing. So talking about the consistency and the formulation or the ingredients, sensitive skin can also use this because it's a very mild form. Now coming to my experience with this product, I do not have extremely stubborn like blackheads or whiteheads or even acne on my skin, so I cannot tell you if it works that efficiently or not on the skin. But yes, whatever I have, I think it has really helped me out with clearing out. So I cannot comment on the blackhead or whitehead parts, but yes, I have seen the change in my inflammation. Like, I did not have that inflammation which I usually get from using like other products, but yes, this has saved my skin and I did not have any kind of acne. Like recently I did not experience any kind of acne, like new acne, which is amazing. And I think it has helped clearing out the pores. And actually this has worked more efficiently because I do take steam for my face. So I think it's just my whole entire routine that is more effective. And I think if I talk about this product in particular, it's a very mild and gentle formula, so do not expect any miraculous change on your skin. It is not going to do any magic on the skin, and do not expect any like sudden change on the skin. So please give it some time, be patient. And if you have extreme blackhead or whitehead, I'm not sure if it is going to work because it's a very gentle formula, but overall this product is really good. So if you are a beginner and if you want to include this into your routine, you can try this because I think this one is a worth trying product. But yes, so far my experience with this one is really good, and I think I would buy this again because for my skin it works really okay. So yes, you can definitely try that. And yes you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this to be helpful, and if you have any queries, you can drop out the comment in the comment box. And yes, I will see you next time with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care of yourself, and bye.